So in this video we will look at some of the code editors which are very famous and very easy to use. On the first number, brackets.io, it's open source and free to use. You can also work for this course in this editor, and you need to download from here and visit this website. This on the second number, Sublime Text Editor, it's very famous and free to use. For your personal use you can download for free, but for commercial use you can buy the premium one. And for this course we will use Visual Studio Code Editor. It's open source and free to use and very easy to use. The good thing in this editor is it's totally free, and you need to install some of the plugins in this course for this course, and which will make your work very easy to follow along this course. To download this text editor you need to visit this website, and when you come and visit this website you need to download for your Mac operating system, and you can also download for your Windows operating system and Linux operating system. So I'm clicking on I'm using Windows operating system, so I will click over here. After clicking, I will get this download option. I will download it. So I have already downloaded a version of Visual Studio Code Editor, and I will click on the setup, and I will get this menu, and I will next and next. I will get install this software in my PC. After installation, I will get this window open in my screen. It's very easy to use. You just need to come to file and open new file, and you are here, and you need to save the file. It will give you the directory where you want to save the file. So you just need to first set the extension as HTML, and you need to give the file name index.html. You can also give this .html extension, or when you have already selected the extension or the save type, so it don't need to save with .html extension. So you save the file and you are good to go. For this course you need to download and install a browser for your for this course. You can also use Google Chrome, and you can also use Firefox. For the Google Chrome you need to go to Google Chrome download. So you will get Google Chrome, and for this course we will test our code in this browser. So thank you, and see you in the next video.